Okay, so I forgot that I don't have a wig cap. So I'm actually about to run to the beauty supply real fast. I just got out of work. And I figured I got some time so I can run to the beauty supply real quick. Grab that and then come back and install it. I'm kind of nervous because I never tried color before. Well, let me say it this way. I had that blonde, that was a quick weave and a closure blonde, and then I had the highlighted wig last year during Christmas, and everybody seemed to like that on me. So I said I want to get out of my comfort zone and try different colors. So this is different, and I'm mostly into long hair. Oh, I did the blonde, I'm gonna add a picture in here, the bob too, not too long ago, to the Alicia Keys concert. I did a blonde and I think it was brown, I'm not sure, but it was different colors. But just little stuff like that. I just be wanting to get out of my comfort zone of just doing the black and the browns, you know what I'm saying? So I also, with my wigs, what I'm also trying to get out of the norm of doing is just middle part or side part. I be wanting to actually do like hairstyles, like pigtails, fishtails, braids, you know, just try different styles. So anyways, I'll record a little bit more when I get to the beauty supply. One reason why I don't like coming to the beauty supply, because I come in here looking for one thing, and then I come in here and be leaving out here with another thing. Oh, I just poked myself in the eye. I wish they had a smaller bottle of this spritz, but I see a lot of people use this on TikTok, so I'm gonna get some of this. I might be switching back and forth from my camera, because right now I'm on my camera, to my phone, because my battery is not at 100%, so I know it's gonna die soon. But before we really get into everything and what I'm doing, I'm gonna basically just show y'all everything that I got. So here is the wig. This is the wig I will be installing on myself. I just went to the beauty supply and got me some spritz. I normally use the even holding spray for both my cap and to lay the wig down, but I've been seeing a lot of people use this specifically on TikTok, so I'm gonna try this out. What else do I have? I got my stocking cap, my edge brush, edge control. This is really good and it smells good. I don't know if I'm gonna use edge controls. Sometimes I use the mousse on my edges, and just a couple of different types of rat tail combs to put the glue down on my stocking cap. I have glue somewhere in here. Let me move this over here. Oh, wax stick. Yeah, my camera is finna die. I'm gonna plug my battery in. It's literally finna die. And then this is the glue I'll be using. Ghost Bond. So yeah, that's all that I am using, and we're about to get started. So all I just did was put edge control and brushed my hair back, all my edges back, before I put my cap on and I cut the little curly things I had in my hair. I'm about to cut down the braids in the back of my head. separated with the spreads. And I'm just pulling the front back so that I can be able to style it once it dries. So now I'm just gonna wait until this part dries up completely so I can cut the lace off, do the edges, and style the hair. I don't know how I'm gonna style it. I want to style it kind of like how Ice Spice had it. She had a bang, and then the hair is already curled, but I'm thinking about blow drying it straight and then bumping the end. So I put my band back on my head just so I can have it laid down extra good. I'm gonna put it back on because it's 7:51 right now and I'm probably going to bed soon. But I do want to kind of finish off the style. So the style that I'm probably gonna go for is like the messy bun with the bang that everybody has been doing recently, that I've been seeing on social media and TikTok. So yeah, that's what I'm going to try to achieve. I kind of already got the messy bun going. It's kind of falling. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do it, but I probably won't record me actually styling it, but I'm gonna show y'all the end result. But I'm loving the color. I'm loving the color. How y'all in the comment below, tell me what y'all giving this color. I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. I thought I was gonna hate this color, but this is actually really cute. I'll be back when the style is completely finished. Don't forget to comment, cause I wanna know what y'all, how y'all feeling it. I think it goes with my skin tone. I really do. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all thinking. But yeah, I'll be back. Yeah, this is the end result. This is the end result. It turned out really cute. Really my hair. But make sure y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all tune into my other videos. This is so cute. I'm excited. This is, how can I? Yeah, Ice Spice, I'm coming. I'm coming for you.